Every year, millions wait for Apple's newest flagship. But the iPhone's journey begins inside a world-class manufacturing system. Precision robotics and skilled workers transform raw materials into... The story starts long before the factory floor. Titanium, aluminum, copper travel from suppliers across the globe. Every shipment is carefully inspected. Because even...
The battery is carefully manufactured under strict safety standards. Each battery must meet demanding quality requirements before entering the assembly line.
Now the heart of the phone comes together. High-speed robotic machines place thousands of miniature electronic components onto the logic board. After assembly, each device comes to life for the very first time. Specialized software checks every sensor, camera, microphone, speaker, and wireless connection. Only phones that... Each camera is calibrated. We use robotic systems and precision targets. Focus, exposure, and color balance are adjusted, ensuring every photo meets Apple's demanding quality standards.
Initiating audio frequency test. Checking speaker calibration.
Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS are rigorously tested. Engineers verify every connection is reliable. All lines are operating at peak efficiency.
Even while today's phones are being shipped, research teams are already developing the technologies that will power...
Long before reaching customers, each device passed extensive quality inspections designed to verify reliability and consistency. Those tests help ensure dependable performance throughout the product's life.
Each box receives a unique serial number and barcode. Advanced scanners instantly match the phone's internal identity with its packaging, ensuring complete traceability.
Precision machines apply tamper-evident seals to every package. This final protective step helps ensure the customer receives a factory-sealed device. As each box moves along the conveyor, sensitive digital scales verify its weight. Even a slight difference could indicate a missing component, triggering an automatic inspection. Pallets are loaded onto trucks and aircraft. Every shipment follows planned logistics.